Today I am going to be showing to you the modular kitchen concept. So all the furniture in the storeroom are made from the factory, and all the furniture are made from the waterproof plywood. So you can see that the edges of the shutter is well finished, rounded, and also the color of the edges and the color of the drawer is matching. So this one is a heating drawer system. So we can see that we kept a cutlery tray in this drawer. This is removable and also washable. At the time of requirements, we also can remove the whole drawer and put it back easily. And all the drawer systems are soft closing. The color of the drawer is blue and the material that is used in this drawer is matte acrylic. So similarly, you can see there are other 4 drawers that we used in kitchen for kitchen utensils. All are soft closing. Here is another one for our dish and anything you want to put it here. These are some sort of big drawers. Also, you can plan the bottle pull-out system like this in your kitchen to store bottles and glasses, such like oil bottles, water bottles, ketchup, jam, anything you want. You can put it down in this pull-out. In short, this is a bottle pull-out system. To use your corner space more effectively, you can plan this type of corner system in your kitchen. All the systems are soft closing, as you can see. In this way, we can use our corner space more effectively. So here it is a wicker basket in which we can store onion, garlic and potato like things. This is also detachable. And here you can see the dustbin. This is a door operated dustbin which you can plan in your sink unit. When you open the door, the dustbin comes out, and when you shut the door, the lid of the dustbin closes automatically. So you also can plan this type of pantry unit in your kitchen. All the shelves are in this unit is detachable, also removable. So here you can see the glass rolling shutter. In this cabinet, we can store electronic appliances. So the benefit of this shutter is that the appliances or the electronic appliances of yours is so handy, and also in your kitchen itself that you can use at your convenience whenever you want something from that. So this is the wood, as you can see. So this wood is sensor based. It is operated by hand motion. So with this, you can on and off, also increase and decrease the speed fluid of the wood by your hand motion like this. So this hole is concealed in the platform so that anyone can easily make food at their convenience. And these are the AutoSpark brass burner. So there is no need of lighter here. So these are the overhead cabinets. You can plan this type of cabinet besides the chimney. And the material used in this cabinet is of a glass. Here we can see modular wardrobe. Each and every panel of this wardrobe are factory made and fitted on site. So benefit of this functionality is that you can easily dismantle the whole wardrobe and shift to other places at your requirements. So these are the pull to move doors. And the material of this door is from the glass. Here is the sliding fold doors. This one is glossy, and this one is from leather. These are the shoe racks. To manage your shoe, and there are the other shelves. This is a push to open door. One is from glass and one is from wood. So to utilize most of the space of your wardrobe, you can plan this kind of cloth hanger. And when you push, it will go automatically in their own place. And this is a jewelry tray to manage your jewelry. All the wardrobe are soft close, by the way. This is for hanging your pants and sarees. This is for the clothes that you want to fold and keep. Then this kind of basket you can use for your wardrobe system. And there are the other shelves. So anyone of you who have the requirement of this kind of furniture, please contact the Concept Solution.